Hi guys, Currency Games here with another video. Today we're going to be going over Euro, GBP, New USD and our usual weekly outlook. So again, as we always do, we'll start on a weekly time frame. So on the weekly, we've been having this fair value gap drawn out as a little draw for us. We've had it out for a few weeks now, and as you can see, last week we kind of reacted off this block here. As you can see, the candle went quite close, quite, let's say, not bearish, but there's a lot of downwards, let's say, I don't like to use the word pressure, but there's a lot of downwards price action in this week in regards to reacting off this order block here. So I still think this weekly fair value gap down here is a safe bet for a target at the moment, or bias. Okay, going on to the daily time frame, we've come into this fair value gap here, an order block that we've been talking about as well, and we've kind of turned over to go bearish. I would like to see, honestly, price reach this low and then also the low here into this fair value gap. So I'm still looking for shorts, in all honesty. Going down to the H12, this fair value gap here we also have marked out, and we've also created a block here that we could possibly see a reaction from. Okay, so if we do trade past this block, I would like to see price reach this fair value gap to go shorts. If you do blow past both these levels, I would then be looking at this high as well. Let me mark out that high, but that's the last resort, to be fair, and I'd then be questioning my bias at that point, to be honest with you. Down to the H4. Now again, this is where things get interesting, as it always does. As you can see on the H4, we traded nice off this level that we've been talking about, and we have come to break structure again on the H4. So we have a nice little range here we can work with. Now I am looking at this H4 order block, it's quite clean, and within that H4 order block I'm looking at these three consecutive upwards candles to make one order block as well as a possible return into it. Now I'd like to see almost a movement like this, like we always do, into that and then break downwards. Okay, but in all honesty, I'll be waiting for some sort of M15 MSB once you reach this area. I could take a short straight from here, but the stop loss is looking quite big. It's almost 18 pips. So depending on the price action we see, I'd rather see the lower time frames break down when we enter here. But again, it's just our judgment of the lower time frames and seeing that nice mark structure to go bearish, and that's the reversal possibly happening in here to go short. Okay, well, EG is looking quite simple today for the week, to be fair. It looks quite nice, structure's quite nice, so we've got a nice little area we can look forward to take shorts from. Okay, quite simple. Going on to Euro USD, again, foolishness. I don't listen. We've come into this area here on the weekly. As I said for the past few weeks, unless we get some sort of distinctive reversal up here, or reaction of this rally gap, I'm not really interested. Or unless we get some sort of cleanup on these time frames. Okay, I have marked out this daily low as well, but unless we get some sort of nice H4 MSB, I'm not really interested in it. I'm not going to really focus on New USD until we get some sort of clear distinctive movement up or down, or some sort of market structure break to show us where it's going, because right now it's just looking very, very choppy at the moment. And again, this is one of those circumstances where someone might look at this and think, yeah, this price action is good for them to take longs or short off, but for me personally, it is not high probable for me to be taking trades from. So as I said, on the higher time frames, we've got a fair value gap and an order block here that I'll be looking at, and we also have this area up here. We've got order block here, and we've got a kind of a refined zone up here as well that I also will be looking at to see what sort of reactions we get on the H4 from there. Okay, and I also said we do have this daily low. So let's say the H4 did make a nice MSB bullish, we could possibly take a very, very minor scalp to probably take out these highs. But again, it's just a waiting game on Euro USD. Majority of my focus this week will be put on Euro GBP because it's doing looks much cleaner and have a much more of a solid bias. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much all for today. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and we'll be back again on Tuesday for our daily logs. Thank you very much.